Welcome to the Parker Instrumentation Products Division's Insight Moment. Today we want to discuss our latest product development into the clean energy market of hydrogen. Our Parker Autoclave brand of products is proud to present the HYG option. Leakage is minimized for as many operation cycles as possible. It enhances packing, increases the stem's resilience, built with our standard cold-worked 316 stainless steel, and gas seat tested with helium before shipping. Taking into consideration that the flowing temperatures can drop from ambient to -40 degrees Fahrenheit, we offer the LT-HYG option with heat sink extension assembly. This option is designed for temperatures to -423 degrees Fahrenheit or -252 degrees Celsius, and can handle such applications as liquid hydrogen. Through a wide range of solutions for hydrogen applications, Parker Instrumentation Products Division is assisting the global decarbonization efforts. Give us the opportunity to collaborate with you to bring clean technology to your market today. For more information on the Parker Autoclave HYG option product line, or to contact us concerning your hydrogen project needs, go to parker.com/IPD. Parker Instrumentation Products Division would like to thank you for watching this insight moment. Have a great day. Parker Instrumentation Products Division. Leading with purpose.